Hi there, this is Merle Strom. Today I'm making my version of Biko, a popular Filipino rice cake with creamy coconut milk, sweetened with dark brown sugar, flavor enhanced with pure vanilla extract, cooked and thickened into a caramel, evenly spread on top of the chewy, sticky, glutinous coconut and pandan flavored rice, creating a delightful taste and texture that many Filipinos, myself included, enjoy, whether it be for dessert or even snack. There are two different types or variations of biko. The second type is made without the caramel on top. Instead, it has what we call latik, or the result of reducing pure coconut milk by bringing it to a boil and simmer it until all the moisture evaporates, leaving a toasted brown meat and coconut oil. This toasted latik is used as topping for several sweet dishes like maha blanca, sapin-sapin, palitaw na may sabaw or cooked in sweetened coconut soup, suman salihia, puto bongbong, ube, and many other dessert and snack Philippine delicacies. Some of these dessert dishes require the use of banana leaves wrappers, which I believe add mild fragrant aroma and a little bit of flavor for steaming and baking. Unfortunately, I cannot grow bananas here in Nebraska. These are not primary flavoring ingredients, so I guess I can go without this. I was born and raised in the Philippines. When I cook something in my video, believe it or not, it was never planned. It is something I'm craving for. It is a spur of the moment kind of a thing, depending on my cravings. If you are wondering why the rice have to be washed at least 3 times before cooking, it is mainly to remove excess starch and oils from the rice grains and to clean off any dirt, dust, or debris that may be present from harvesting and processing. You might notice that the rice smells better after washing. The ratio of cooking sticky rice to water is 1 to 1, which is why I use 1 cup of coconut milk and 1 cup of water to cook it initially. Normally, the rice recipe calls for 2 whole pieces of pandan leaves. I bought mine all chopped up. I put 2 tablespoons of these dried leaves in my cone coffee filter and tied it up with a butcher's twine so I don't have to fish these leaves later on. It makes life a whole lot easier doing it this way with what I have. Make sure that you fluff the rice a little bit with a fork to make it easy to incorporate or blend the rice and the caramel as you are stirring this in this final cooking stage. This part of the video is now how to assemble or put together the rice and the caramel with the reserved portion for the topping. Don't forget to grease the glass baking dish with coconut oil or any neutral oil like vegetable oil before transferring the biko on it. Top it with the remaining caramel and continue cooking in a preheated 350 degrees oven for 20 to 25 minutes or when the caramel starts bubbling. Take it out of the oven and cool it down before serving. If you are interested in this recipe, you can find the complete written one in the description. Here are the products that I use in this video to make the biko, starting with sengla dried pandan leaves. Followed by the main ingredient, which is the glutinous or sticky rice. Of course, we have the great flavor of coconut milk. You need about 3 to 4 cans of this to make this sweet, flavorful, and delicious biko. Let's not forget the rich, deep, toffee-like caramel flavor that we get from the pure cane dark brown sugar due to its high molasses content. Last but not the least is the pure vanilla extract that amplifies the flavors derived from the sticky rice, the coconut milk, the dark brown sugar, and the pandan. I use a 9-inch by 13-inch 3-quart glass pan to accommodate the Biko in the final stage of the cooking process. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.